Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be toasting bagels in the air fryer. So to toast the bagel in the air fryer, let's take the bagel and cut it in half. This is already pre-sliced, so I'm just going to separate the halves. And put it in the air fryer basket. And let's set the temperature to 370 degrees, and let's set the time to 3 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Perfectly toasted bagel. It's still chewy on the inside and crispy on the outside. So easy in the air fryer, and you don't need a toaster. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks.